Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you the difference after install BONOSS wheel spacers.
If you are looking to improve the appearance, handling and stability of your Dodge, then wheel spacer should be your best choice. For the outlook, the wheel spacer increases the stance and aesthetics of your vehicle. By pushing the wheels out from the chassis, spacers create a more aggressive and dominant posture for your Dodge. BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers come with active cooling grooves. When the wheels rotate, these grooves allow the external cold air to flow efficiently and continuously inside the wheel spacers to take away the heat. Therefore, it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. In this way, these BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers can improve heat dissipation efficiency and reduce safety risk during driving. Therefore, using genuine quality wheel spacers for Dodge is extremely important to ensure safety. And well-designed spacers will make your car perform as well as possible in every situation.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye!